You want your business to make a strong, positive, and lasting impression on everyone who sees it. And a huge part of that is having beautiful floors installed by a professional team. Flooring Liquidators was recently called to install vinyl click flooring in this commercial office in Western Ontario. When we arrived, the space was in need of a major renovation. We wanted the result to wow customers and give them a solid impression of the client and their business. With all of the right tools for the job ready to go, our team made sure the area was clear of debris or obstructions before starting. There were a lot of sections of old floors or supporting material in the building that needed to be cut, torn out, and properly removed. With the right technique, we were able to quickly and efficiently prepare the job site for the business's new floors in just a few hours. The flooring in this office extended around the base of the walls, and in many sections there was more than just carpet to scrape away. Our guys always work cleanly and quickly to get things rolling for commercial installations. After the job site was ready, we mixed a self-leveling compound and poured it over rough areas to create an even working surface. We used a variety of materials, heavy-duty machines, and hand tools to level the floors and ensure that the office was perfectly even for our product. After some quick cleaning, it was time to get to work laying down this stunning 7mm SPC padded vinyl click flooring. Each plank clicked cleanly together, ensuring that there were no gaps or spaces between product. Using a mallet to firmly lock each plank in place, they secured the vinyl flooring and inspected it to make sure everything was properly aligned. We implemented a number of techniques to make specialized cuts in the floors and baseboards to ensure they are the perfect fit for every section of this workspace. We take every installation job seriously and aim to give our customers the perfect floors they've been dreaming of for their business. To get under corners of doorways and frames, our team used specialized hand saws to make small indentations to properly place the vinyl click. After most of the product was laid down, we got to work installing the baseboards. They were precisely measured and cut to fit the room, efficiently using materials the customer ordered. A pneumatic nailer is used to secure the boards, keeping them in place and ensuring they retain their sturdy structure. The baseboards really bring the room together and protect areas of the wall that used to have carpet on them. With the rest of the property finished, it was time to place the last pieces of vinyl down. Specially cut strips of the material are placed into doorways and in hard-to-reach areas of rooms. As the last few pieces of flooring go down, you can really see the difference in the space now that the floors have been replaced. The brand new vinyl click truly brings this office to life, giving it a renewed sense of cleanliness and professionalism. In just a few days, this space was transformed by our installation team, and after a few layers of paint from the owner, it will be ready for business. Flooring Liquidators is here to help you with all your commercial needs, whether it's reviving your office, increasing your property's value, or transforming an old building into a usable workspace for your business. We can help. We have showrooms throughout Ontario, and you can learn more about us by visiting our website, flooringliquidators.ca. Visit or call us today to get started. We look forward to serving you.